Hello, you're watching a weekly review of the US stock market on the InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. The US stock market posted a loss last week, wound down by fears of a possible trade war and White House turmoil. A slight gain seen on Friday was not enough to stop stocks from falling. The Nasdaq Composite Index edged up by less than 0.01% to 7,481.99. On Friday, amid a 1.4% decline in Google parent Alphabet and a 0.7% drop in Amazon shares, the index fell by a percent over last week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.29% to 24,946.51. The Dow Jones fell by 1.5% on the week as the shares of Boeing dropped by 6.8% under trade tensions. The S&P 500 increased by 0.17% to 2,752.01. The index notched a 1.2% loss for the week. Economic news released on Friday showed that U.S. industrial production rose by 1.1% in February, well above market estimates. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index jumped to a 14-year high in March. That helped offset the uncertainty surrounding a potential global trade war as President Donald Trump's administration pushes for protective leaves, as well as major personal changes in the administration, including the departure of Rex Tillerson as the Secretary of State and the naming of Lawrence Kudlow as the Director of the National Economic Council. In corporate news, the top performers on the Nasdaq Composite were Ametis Incorporated, which rose by 118.75%, and Origin Agritech Limited, which gained 27%. Ametis nearly doubled after saying its Universal Biofuels subsidiary in India completed construction of an advanced biodiesel pretreatment unit to process low-cost feedstocks into low-carbon distilled biodiesel for its supply agreement with BP. The best performers of the session on the Dow Jones Industrial Average were Walmart Incorporated, which rose by 1.9% or 1.66 points to trade at $89.17. Walmart responded to accusations of issuing misleading e-commerce results, calling the person a disgruntled former associate. You were watching a weekly review of the US stock market on the InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Earn and trade with InstaForex.